Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Today, we're diving into the world of scalp care. You know, most people focus so much on their hair, making it shiny, making it grow, but they forget about the foundation, the root of it all, literally. We're talking about your scalp. Just like your face, your scalp needs some TLC too. Whether you're dealing with an oily, itchy, or dry scalp, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the basics of good scalp hygiene. Just like the skin on your face, your scalp needs to be cleansed regularly to remove dirt, oil, and product buildup. Think of all the stuff we pile on our heads. Shampoo, conditioner, styling products, dry shampoo, it's a lot. Now imagine all that sitting on your scalp, clogging those poor hair follicles. Not a pretty picture, right? That's why it's important to wash your hair regularly. And when you do, really take your time to massage your scalp. Don't just scrub the hair, get in there and give your scalp a good, gentle scrub. And remember, not all shampoos are created equal. Some shampoos contain harsh chemicals that can actually irritate your scalp and strip away its natural oils. So, when you're shopping for hair products, always check the ingredients list and try to choose products that are free of sulfates, parabens, and other harsh chemicals. Your scalp will thank you. Now let's talk about oily scalp. We've all been there, right? It can be super frustrating to deal with greasy hair, especially if you're prone to breakouts. But don't worry, there are things you can do to manage oil production and keep your scalp feeling fresh and clean. One of the best things you can do is use a clarifying shampoo once or twice a week. Clarifying shampoos are designed to remove excess oil and product buildup, leaving your scalp feeling squeaky clean. But here's a little secret. Overwashing your hair can actually make oily scalp worse. When you wash your hair too often, you strip away its natural oils, which can actually trigger your scalp to produce even more oil to compensate. So try to find a happy medium. If you have oily hair, you might need to wash it every other day or every 2 days, but experiment and see what works best for you. An itchy scalp can be incredibly annoying. It's like having a mosquito bite that you just can't scratch. Itchy scalp can be caused by a number of things, including dandruff, dry scalp, or even certain skin conditions. But one of the most common culprits is a yeast-like fungus called Malassezia globosa. Don't worry, it's a normal part of your scalp's microbiome, but sometimes it can get a little out of control and cause irritation. If you're dealing with an itchy scalp, there are a few things you can do to find relief. One of my favorite natural remedies is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help soothe the scalp and reduce inflammation. You can add a few drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo or conditioner, or you can even find shampoos and conditioners that are specifically formulated with tea tree oil. Another tip is to avoid scratching your scalp as much as possible. I know it's tempting, but scratching can actually irritate your scalp even more and lead to further inflammation. Dry spell? Quench your scalp's thirst. Just like your skin, your scalp can get dry and flaky too. Dry scalp is often caused by a lack of moisture, which can be due to a number of factors, like cold weather, dry air, or even using harsh hair products. The good news is that dry scalp is usually pretty easy to treat. The key is to add moisture back into your scalp and hair. One of the best ways to do this is to use a hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Look for products that are specifically designed for dry scalp and contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or shea butter. These ingredients help to attract and retain moisture, keeping your scalp hydrated and happy. And just like with oily scalp, you don't want to overwash your hair if you have a dry scalp. Washing too frequently can strip away your scalp's natural oils, making dryness even worse. Choosing the right shampoo for your scalp is crucial for a healthy scalp. It's like choosing the right skincare products for your face. You wouldn't use a harsh acne treatment on dry, sensitive skin, would you? The same goes for your scalp. If you have an oily scalp, you'll want to look for a shampoo that's designed to control oil production and clarify the scalp. Look for keywords like clarifying, balancing, or oil-free. On the other hand, if you have a dry or sensitive scalp, you'll want to choose a gentle, moisturizing shampoo that won't strip away your scalp's natural oils. Look for keywords like hydrating, moisturizing, gentle, or for sensitive skin. And if you have a specific scalp concern like dandruff or psoriasis, there are shampoos that are formulated to address those issues as well. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find a shampoo that works for you. Now let's talk about some natural scalp-saving heroes. Mother Nature has provided us with an abundance of natural ingredients that can work wonders for our scalp health. One of my all-time favorites is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's known for its soothing, anti-inflammatory and healing properties, making it a great natural remedy for a variety of scalp conditions. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to your scalp or find shampoos and conditioners that contain aloe vera. Another great natural ingredient for scalp care is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural antifungal and antibacterial, making it effective at combating dandruff and other scalp infections. It's also incredibly moisturizing, so it can help to soothe a dry, itchy scalp. Simply massage a small amount of coconut oil into your scalp and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. And if you're dealing with an itchy, irritated scalp, apple cider vinegar can be a lifesaver. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH of your scalp, which can help to reduce inflammation and soothe irritation. Simply mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply it to your scalp after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it out. Let's talk about scalp care. It's not just about the hair. Many people don't realize that a healthy scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. Think of your scalp as the soil in which your hair grows. If the soil is unhealthy, the plants won't thrive. The same goes for your hair. If your scalp is unhealthy, your hair will be more prone to breakage, dryness, and even hair loss. Taking care of your scalp can actually help to promote hair growth. When your scalp is healthy and free of buildup, your hair follicles are able to function properly, allowing for healthy hair growth. So if you're looking for thicker, fuller hair, it all starts with a healthy scalp. Ready to give your scalp the royal treatment? Here's a simple yet effective scalp care routine that you can follow. Step 1. Brush your hair before washing. This will help to loosen up any dirt, oil, or product buildup, making it easier to wash away. Step 2. Wet your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Hot water can actually dry out your scalp, so stick to lukewarm water. Step 3. Apply a small amount of shampoo to your scalp and massage it in using gentle circular motions. Don't forget to focus on your hairline and behind your ears. Step 4. Rinse the shampoo out thoroughly. Any leftover shampoo can irritate your scalp and lead to buildup. Step 5. Apply conditioner to the lengths and ends of your hair, avoiding your scalp. Conditioner is designed to moisturize your hair, not your scalp. Step 6. Rinse the conditioner out thoroughly with cool water. Cool water helps to seal the hair cuticle, making your hair look shiny and smooth. Step 7. Gently pat your hair dry with a towel. Don't rub your hair, as this can cause breakage. Step 8. Apply any scalp treatments or serums if desired. Step 9. Style your hair as usual. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned some helpful tips for keeping your scalp healthy and happy. Remember, a healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. So give your scalp some love and it will thank you with luscious hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips. See you next time.